Welcome back, my dear students. In the previous lecture, you have learned about the principle of Dow theory of technical analysis. So in this lecture today, I will be talking to you about the support and resistance level on a price action chart. At first, we will talk about support level on a price action chart. Support is a specific price zone or area where the selling pressure is very weak, because the supply of market decreases and as well as demand of the market increases. When the market price fall down by creating support level so that market price rises up until a specific price zone, then the market price fall down again. So chances is high that market price tests the previous support level, then market price rises up again and create the support level. So let's see the real chart example. This is Euro NZ 4-hour chart. Here market fall down for create a support level, then the market price rises up until a specific price zone, and then market fall down again. So chances is high that market price tests the previous support level. On the same way, market price again retests the previous support level. Let's discuss one resistance level on a price action chart. Resistance is the exact opposite level of support. Resistance is a specific area or zone where the buying pressure is high, because the supply of market increases and as well as demand market decreases. When the price rises up for creating resistance level and then market price fall down until a specific price zone, in that moment price rises up. So chances is high that market price tests the previous resistance level. Then the market price fall down again and create the resistance level. So let's see the real chart example. This is GBP 1 hour chart. Here market rises up for create a resistance level. Then the market price fall down until a specific price zone and then market rises up again. So chances is high that market price tests the previous resistance level. On the same way, market price again retests the previous resistance level. That means market create again the resistance level in the chart. So not more today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.